Widjay, and welcome to Uncle Jed's Kitchen. In this video, we're going to be cooking North Queensland cod nuggets. Let's go.
Bada bing, bada boom. I'ma get it to the room. And I'm running out fast, I'ma get it out soon. Now I'm bumping that gas, y'all smoking on the fumes.
Alright, so for ingredients, we got egg, flour, breadcrumb, salt and pepper, cod, and some oil in the pan. We're gonna crack the egg in the bowl. Whisk it up. Egg wash. Gonna put some flour in this bowl. Bowl of flour. Gonna season that flour. Good salt. Bit of pepper. Mix that through. Now, got the cod. I'm gonna cut this bag open. This is the cod that Kurt caught the other day. Oh! Oh! Why'd you catch something decent, Curdy?
Yeah!
First one in the bank. 2 days ago. Just gonna cut this up in bite-sized chunks. Like that. Alright, so we've set up our breading station. Flour, egg, breadcrumbs. So what we're gonna do, chuck the fish in there, coat it completely in the flour like that, and he goes in the egg. Do a couple of this, saves my hands getting a bit more messy. So I've got all the fish in the flour, got some in the egg here, just gonna coat it in egg. So when you're doing the egg wash, just shake the extra egg off, and then it's ready to go on the breadcrumbs. While I'm doing this, I've got the pan on, heating up the oil, so it'll be ready to chuck straight in. Get a nice amount of crumb on your little fish nugget. Beautiful. Do one more. Now I'll finish the rest off. All the fish is now crumbed. It's good to go. We're gonna go take this over to the pan and chuck it in the oil. Let's go. I've set the temperature of the oil at a medium-high heat so it cooks the fish through to the center without burning the outsides. So I'm gonna start off with the bigger pieces of fish because the oil will be hottest at the moment. So I'll chuck them in. Alright, so now the fish is golden brown on one side, it's ready to flip over. Look at that. It's golden brown on the other side now, it'll be ready to eat. We'll tuck in. So the fish is all golden brown on the outside. It's ready to take out of the pan and we'll be able to dig in. The fish is now done. Cooked to perfection. Just have a bite of it. That is pretty good. If you want, you can add sauce. This is my favorite sauce. This is QP and sriracha. Bloody beautiful, mate. Bloody beautiful. You can't beat fresh fish. Thanks for watching Uncle Jed's Kitchen. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And remember, stay locked in. Hey, Locked In Off-Road now has a merch store. The link's in the description. We're pre-ordering the fishing shirts. We got stickers for sale. Go check it out.